Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video it's going to be a hair review. So I'm going to talk about this hair today. It's really beautiful, like I'm not gonna lie, I really love this. So I have my phone with me here, so I just need to double check like the information and stuff, because I forgot the length of the bundles and I forgot when I ordered it and I forgot the whole company name. So I got this hair from, let me check the brand. It was from AliExpress. It calls Alrence factory. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Last year, yeah, so basically last year September, and I ordered the bundle 24, 26, 28 and a 20 middle part closure, as you guys can see. So the hair is really soft, yeah, it's not shredding, it doesn't tingle, like look, it goes in beautifully, beautiful. And because I've been washing it, I've been straightening it, and it's still in good condition, like it's still in good shape, like, so I have nothing bad to say about this at this point. Like, I've been wearing it for a whole year, yeah, and it's still flawless. Like, like it's not heavy or anything, it's really soft and it's easy to handle at this point. I just use normal conditioning and shampoo, and just, yeah, it's easy to handle. And I love it because it's just like simple black, like it's not jet black, it's natural, it's the natural color. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correct. It's Alrence, and it's on AliExpress. So yeah, check it out guys. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, so guys, and this is basically the end of the video. As I mentioned, I have nothing bad to say about this brand. Yeah, I'm wearing it for a whole year and it's still in good shape. Like, it's still in good shape, it's flawless, it's flawless, it's not stiff or anything. And yeah, if you guys liked the video and you guys wanted to see me do more of those hair reviews, just let me know, and comment down below, let me know if you guys ordered the hair. And as mentioned, this is not sponsored, so if you guys are interested, just check out the link down below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.